At this time, please take a second to like and subscribe.
Hey guys, what's going on? It's Nick from Nick's Auto Detail, and today we're going to be taking a look at this F-150. Black vehicles are notorious for being difficult to get clean. Luckily, this vehicle wasn't in that bad a shape to begin with. It was definitely more of a maintenance detail than anything. While there were still some bad spots that needed some extra work, the truck was in pretty good shape overall, so that was definitely exciting to see. Now it's time to get started. To begin this detail, we had to remove the tree bark from the back of the truck, so I grabbed the broom and got to work. Now it's time to tackle the WeatherTech floor mats. We started by spraying them with the power washer. Then we used the drill brush to agitate the all-purpose cleaner. After that, we re-rinsed them off and they had been returned to their old form. Now it's time to move on to the wheel wells and the tires. I start by power washing the wheel wells until they are completely clean. After that, I shift my attention to the tire. I spray them with wheel and tire cleaner and agitate with my tire brush. I end the process with a post-wash rinse. Next, I begin with a pre-wash rinse, spraying off all the bugs and dirt that is on the outside of the truck. After that comes the foam cannon. I have found that this tool is really useful. It leaves the truck looking spotless in just one easy step.
I then used my large Chemical Guys microfiber drying towel to dry the exterior of the vehicle. Now that the vehicle is back to looking brand new, I will shift my attention to the inside of the vehicle. The first step in the process is to vacuum out the interior. Now that I have finished vacuuming, I will begin to wipe down the interior. While working on the interior of a car, I enjoy using Chemical Guys all-purpose interior detailing solution along with all-purpose cleaner diluted 4:1. At first glance, the carpets and seats in this vehicle look to be fairly clean. After running the extractor over the seats, I was able to find a fair bit of dirt hiding inside them. I have definitely detailed vehicles that have underwent crazier transformations. With that being said, I am still more than happy with the way that this one turned out. Detailing a black vehicle is never easy, but when done correctly, they stand out among the rest.
Hey guys, if you made it this far, feel free to like and subscribe. Also, hit the bell. It'll let you guys know whenever a new video is posted. We're going to be posting videos every Friday from here on out, so there'll be a lot more content coming your way.